The TI Inspire calculator will not solve inequalities. However, there are functions on the Inspire that will help students check their work on solving inequalities. For example, they can use numerical solve with an equal sign rather than the inequality symbol to verify that the number they came up with in their answer is correct. So by pressing Menu, choosing 3 for algebra and 1 for numerical solve, I can type in my inequality, -4 parentheses 2y minus 3 close parenthesis plus 11y. Now instead of using less than or equal to, I'm going to use the equal sign because that's the only symbol that the numerical solve understands, and then type in the 15 comma y. Close my parenthesis and press enter. So 1 is indeed the correct value. Now they need to determine if they have the correct inequality symbol, because sometimes students will forget to reverse an inequality if they've multiplied or divided by a negative number. So what they can do is they can choose a value that would work in the inequality that they have. For example, the inequality that this student arrived at was y is greater than or equal to 1. So 2 should be a solution to that inequality since 2 is greater than or equal to 1. So if I store 2 as y, if I type in my inequality exactly the way I see it, so I've got -4 times the quantity 2y minus 3 plus 11y. Now I do need to use my inequality symbol for this particular part. So by pressing Control and the equal sign, I can choose the correct inequality. So I need the less than or equal to symbol. So using my arrow keys, I'll choose the less than or equal to and press enter. And then I'll finish it up with 15 and press enter. And that returned an answer of false, which means that 2 is not a solution to this inequality. So the student have to go back and check their work. And if you'll notice in step 3, they reversed the inequality, but they did not need to. So they actually should have left the inequality less than or equal to rather than reversing it to a greater than or equal to symbol. So now they can go back and correct that answer.